see the two branches over there? We drill some honey on there as well. They say lick. Yes, because there's a lot of honey on there. Yeah, and also, we also drizzled honey just to get her to climb up. She's making her way up. Go Spider-Man, go. Oh my goodness. And then you see the mascot of Rainforest Wild Asia. You see the logo. And roll credits. Welcome to Rainforest Wild Asia. You want to do what I do?